When performing a titration, it's very important that our standard solution's concentration is very accurately known. And so there's two ways to prepare a standard solution. First of all, one option would be to find a solute that is very stable, so it's not going to break down. It's non-deliquescent, which means that it's not going to absorb moisture from the atmosphere. It's soluble, and it can be obtained in a pure form. Okay, all of those things are going to contribute to that being a very accurate concentration. So if we can find something that meets those criteria, then we would refer to that as being a primary standard. We could use that compound directly. So for example, if we wanted acidic primary standard, one option might be potassium hydrogen thiolate, or KHP, and it's a monoprotic acid. Or oxalic acid dihydrate would be another option, and it's a diprotic acid. Okay. A basic primary standard would be anhydrous sodium carbonate. Okay. Another way of obtaining a standard solution is to actually standardize it by titrating it against a primary standard. So for example, sodium hydroxide is often used in titrations. However, sodium hydroxide is not a primary standard. So if we wanted to titrate, if we wanted sodium hydroxide to be our titrant, our standard solution, we would need to first standardize it by, say, reacting it with a primary acidic standard.